Struggling to organize your thoughts? AI note-taking apps like Capacities and Meme AI promise to boost your productivity. But which one's right for you? Let's break it down in a few seconds. Let's look at the AI power. Capacities has smart linking and knowledge graphs, while Meme AI has real-time AI search and auto-tagging. When it comes to organization, Capacities has workspaces and nested notes, while Meme AI has chat-like minimal structure. When it comes to search, Capacities has deep context-aware search, while Meme AI has instant AI-powered recall. When it comes to integration, Capacities is limited actually for now, while Meme AI works with Slack, Gmail, and more. When it comes to who they are best for, Capacities are best for researchers and deep thinkers, while Meme AI is best for quick thinkers and team collaboration. While let's look at the pricing. Capacities has free plan, it also has paid plans, while Meme AI has free plan, also has premium options. So, in essence, Capacities is like a digital brain. It's perfect if you love structure, while Meme AI is lightning fast for those who just type and forget. So, if you want deep organization, go for Capacities, but if you need speed, Meme AI. Which one are you going to try out? Drop a comment, smash the like button if this helped, and subscribe for more AI showdowns.